I just found a website that basically gives you access to multiple AI models all in one place. And honestly, this might be one of the cleanest setups I've seen so far. Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm testing out this platform called Use.ai. And from the first look, it's not just another AI tool. It's more like a hub where you can switch between different AI models depending on what you need. And I spent some time clicking around. So let me show you what it actually feels like to use this. So the main idea here is simple. Instead of being locked into one AI, Use.ai lets you choose between multiple models, like GPT variants, Claude, DeepSeek, and more, all inside one interface. It's basically like having different brains. You can switch between depending on the task, and everything happens in one chat-style layout. Super familiar, super clean. Now, if you've used AI tools before, you probably know this problem. Sometimes one model is great for writing, another is better for coding, another one gives faster answers. But switching between platforms, that gets annoying fast. This solves that. Everything is centralized. One place, one workflow, no bouncing around tabs. When I opened it, the first thing I noticed, it looks really minimal. Like, no clutter, no weird menus. You've got a clean chat interface in the center model selection on the side, and quick tools like Help Me Write, Analyze Image, Summarize Text. It actually feels more like a polished product than a typical AI dashboard. Okay, this is probably the biggest feature. You can literally choose between different AI models like GPT-5, GPT 5.5, Claude, DeepSeek, right from the sidebar. And switching between them is instant. So if you don't like one response, you can just swap models and try again. That alone is super useful. Right below the chat box, you've got these quick action buttons. Help me write, learn about something, analyze images, summarize text. So instead of typing everything manually, you can just tap one of these and go straight into that task. It makes the whole experience feel faster and more guided. Or another thing I like, there's no complicated setup. You open it, pick a model, type your prompt, done. No learning curve. It's very plug and play, which is honestly what most people want. After using it a bit, what stood out to me is, it's not trying to be flashy, it's just efficient. Like if you already use AI tools daily, this just makes your workflow smoother. You don't have to think about where to go. You just focus on what you want to do. So yeah, that's Use.ai. If you like the idea of having multiple AI models in one place, this is definitely worth checking out. Try it yourself, see which model you like the most. And if you found this helpful, drop a like, comment what you want me to test next, and I'll see you in the next one.